Welcome to Mac and PC Prime Video. Today, I want to show you Victus by HP 15L Gaming Desktop PC. This means you get the same reliability from the Omen series, but in an affordable package with new Victus gaming desktops. So, this HP 15L gaming PC packs the latest 12th gen Intel Core processors paired with RTX 30 series GPUs as a formidable combo for high-end gaming. Also, as you see, the smaller form factor and a clean design make it look minimal, while that glowing customizable Victus logo is another cool feature to have. Here we have the Intel Core i5-12400 variant, which can be configured up to Core i7-12700 for those who need more performance while still coming in this sleek form factor. This is paired with up to GeForce RTX 3060 Ti, which is enough for a strong 1080p/1440p gaming PC, and a good option if you are targeting that 1 rupee lakh price segment. Specifications of the Victus by HP 15L Gaming Desktop PC. Processor, Intel Core i7-12700, 2.1 GHz base frequency, up to 4.9 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology, 25 MB L3 cache, 12 cores, 20 threads. Memory and storage, 16 GB DDR4, 3200 SDRAM, 2x8 GB, 1 TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe TLC M.2 SSD. Graphics, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti, 8 GB GDDR6 dedicated, with LHR networking, integrated 10/100/1000 GB LAN, Realtek Wi-Fi 6, 2x2, and Bluetooth 5.2 combo, supporting gigabit file transfer speeds. Ports, front, 2 superspeed USB Type-A 5 gigabits per second signaling rate, 2 superspeed USB Type-A 10 gigabits per second signaling rate, 1 superspeed USB Type-C 5 gigabits per second signaling rate. Rear, for USB 2.0 Type-A, 1 RJ45. Expansion slots, 2 PCI Express slots, 1 XPCI X16, 1 XPCI X1, 2 M.2 expansion slots, 1 for SSD, 1 for WLAN. HP Omen 27-inch IPS LED QHD FreeSync and G-Sync compatible gaming monitor. 144 to 165 Hz refresh rate. Delivers powerful performance so that you can get the most out of your games and videos. 1 millisecond response time. Delivers ultra-fast performance, minimizing lag and time to screen. NVIDIA G-Sync compatible. Omen 27i monitor is validated by NVIDIA to bring you smooth, tear-free gaming with a 165 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response. 2K Quad HD 2560 by 1440 resolution. DCI-P 398% closely represents colors. 178 degrees horizontal and vertical viewing angles, and height adjust stand. RGB lighting. Okay, I have told this computer completely, I think. Next, we can test the game. Video, I really hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, make sure to please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see future videos like this, hit that subscribe button. See you next time, bye.